Hi Matt, what are you doing? Oh, hi Chris. I'm studying for my history test tomorrow. History? That's interesting. What is it about? It's about the life of Leonardo da Vinci. Isn't he that famous actor in the movie Titanic? That's Leonardo DiCaprio. Leonardo da Vinci was an artist and also a scientist. Oh yeah, I knew that. So, when was this Leonardo da Vinci born? He was born on the 15th of April, 1452. And where was he born? He was born in Italy. What is he famous for? He is famous for his paintings, the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. Why is the Mona Lisa so famous now? Because it's a very good and realistic portrait. The artist, Da Vinci, used many unique art techniques to paint it. How long did it take for him to paint the Last Supper? It took him about 3 years. How old was he when he died? Well, he was born in 1452 and he died in 1519. That means he was 67 years old. Good! You're ready for tomorrow. Huh? Wait a minute. Have you been quizzing me? Yep, that's what friends are for. Haha, thanks. You're welcome. Let's read the following phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase berikut ini. I was born in 1980. I was born in August 1980. I was born on the 20th of August 1980. Ini adalah cara menulis tanggal versi UK, yaitu negara Inggris. Cara membacanya adalah the 20th of August. Untuk versi US, yaitu di Amerika, kita menuliskan bulannya dulu, baru tanggal, kemudian tahun. Seperti contoh ini. I was born on August 20th, 1980. Cara membacanya adalah August 20th. I was born on August 20th, 1980. Ketika kita menggunakan hanya bulan dan tahun kelahiran kita saja, kita menggunakan kata in. Tetapi ketika kita menambahkan tanggalnya, kita menggunakan kata on. Pada saat kita menambahkan jam kelahiran kita, kita menggunakan kata at. Seperti contoh ini. I was born at 5 a.m. on the 20th of August, 1980. Untuk mengetahui lebih dalam tentang cara membaca dan menulis tanggal dalam bahasa Inggris, bisa dilihat di video kami berikutnya di Honey English Club yang berjudul Guide for Reading and Writing Dates in English. Where were you born? I was born in Jakarta, Indonesia. I was born in Malang. I was born in Australia. Ketika kita memberitahu nama tempat di mana kita dilahirkan, kita menggunakan kata in sebelum nama tempat tersebut. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Jangan lupa untuk klik subscribe dan icon bell yang ada di sebelahnya untuk mendapatkan notifikasi video-video terbaru dari Honey English Club. Thank you for watching. See you next time.